If you really want to turn your favorite 2D images into stunning 3D objects within few seconds, today in this tutorial I will show you how to use this innovative technique and best incredible tool to bring your images to life. So for this you will search here instant mesh on Google search, and you will find a lot of links, and one of them at the top you will find this one, huggingface.co. So you will open this description of this image, this link. You can read here like create a 3D model from an image in 10 seconds. So instant mesh, we will open this one. This will take few seconds to load the dashboard. Now the dashboard, you can see here, you can input image, you can drop image here, or you can click to upload. Then this image will process and then it will generate multiple different views from different sides. So first step, we will drop the image here. So just click here and select the image, and you can see input image has been loaded here. Now remove background if you want. It's already PNG portable network graphics without background, and the speed value you can select, and sample steps 75, and here you can see few examples. Before like generate, we will click here on generate. So first it will appear in the processed image. Now see, it is processing and creating multiple views for your 3D object. Just wait few seconds, and incredibly it will create few 3D objects, so you can save them and you can use them in your projects. So you can see how beautifully it has created different views. You can see here, and we can see like it's processing. So you can see, if we click, see, and we can see rotate this 3D object. Now see, we can see from everywhere like how it is looking, and see like this also. So it has created a beautiful 3D object. This is GLB, this is OBJ. So as you want, you can like download it. .obj model will be flipped, so export .glb instead, or manually flip it before usage. So you can export as .glb, you can use them in your project. So from here you can download it. See, so it will download as .obj. Now you can use this file in your projects. So see how we have converted this 2D image into a stunning 3D object. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.